Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did this boss braid. So before we go into this video, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and hit on the bell icon for notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So right now I'm trying to separate this attachment. Is called attachment. I'm using a expression, so I'm trying to separate this expression. I cut it into two equal sizes, so I'm trying to separate it to make a tail. So this is what I'm trying to do right here, so you're seeing it clearly on the video. I'm just trying to separate it to make a ponytail. So guys, so right now I'm trying to comb out the excesses on the hair before using it to make my boss braid. So yeah, I'm trying to twist this hair with my thread. I just doubled my thread and I'm trying to twist it to make a coil tip. So I just want to coil the tip. So after twisting, and I will just put it on hot water to make it coiled. So what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to dip the hair into hot water to make it coiled. So that is what I'm just doing right here.